Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's unboxing video, I'm just gonna continue with my Majorettes. I've got a fair few to unbox, so I've parked my Greenlight collectibles aside for a while, and I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox these Majorettes. I've got a Porsche 934, I've got a Chevrolet Corvette, I've got a Mercedes-Benz AMG 35 4MATIC. I've got a Chevrolet Camaro. I've got an Aston Martin Vantage GT8. I've got a Porsche 718 Boxster, and I've got these two Lamborghinis. These are part of a streetcar series, and the other 6 at the back are part of a premium cars series. And that one's just the Porsche edition because Majorette does a lot of Porsches. Alright, I'll get them out of the packs. As always, take a closer look, then I'll pop them on the turntable as well. Okay, looking at the first car, this one is a Lamborghini Roadster or Lamborghini Aventador Roadster. I love this French brand, Majorette. They've been around for decades. They do pretty good releases, guys. Pretty decent detailing as well and decals. But they always just use plastic chassis for all their cars and decent tires. Alright, let's get them out of the pack. Okay, that's a beautiful looking Aventador, guys. Not really highly detailed, but for the price and the scale, quite happy with it. I might just go ahead and add some chrome on the exhaust and some on the side mirrors as well, but otherwise pretty decent. Okay, next one is another Lamborghini. It's a beautiful color scheme. It kind of looks blue under the lights on the camera, but it's actually quite purple. And this one is a Lamborghini Reventon. Another decent model, guys. Quite impressed. It's just a strange thingy with the lighting and the camera color, but looks quite blue, like a royal blue, but it's actually purple. And yeah, as always, Majorette does a good job. I love the 5-spoke rims, the side mirrors on this one, beautiful Lamborghini logo, painted headlights, painted taillights, plastic chassis, but yeah, overall, quite happy with it. All right, let's look at the Chevrolet Corvette. Chevy Corvette. They give you a little collectible card with that one. I might just put it on the artwork behind. Pretty decent blister packaging, nicely detailed, decently priced. Awesome, guys. Okay, just showing the collectible card and some sort of details at the back. It's telling you the number of cylinders. It's a V8. It goes from 0 to 100 in 3.9 seconds. And some of the stuff, General Motors. Okay, let's look at the car now. Oh, this one's got some moving parts. Okay, that's pretty cool. Wow, that's nice, guys. I'm loving the decals, the detailing, and the color scheme. I'll put some chrome on the exhaust, but the tail is already painted. Beautiful Chevy logo, or the Corvette logo, sorry. Yep. Nice, guys. It's got a rear spoiler as well. Nice 6-spoke rims. And they roll pretty well as well. Good job, Majorette. Okay, let's look at another Chevrolet. This time it's a Camaro. Beautiful gloss finish. Black. Looks good, guys. Chevy Camaro collectible card. Eight-cylinder. 0 to 100 in 4.8 seconds. Cool. All right, looking at the car now. This one's got moving parts too. That's another trademark from Majorette, guys. They always try and have something movable, like opening doors, opening hood, or even the trunk. Painted taillights, Chevy logo, opening doors, yes sir. And they've decided to give us plastic headlights, painted Chevy logo, plastic grille. Quite nice, guys. Okay, moving on, let's look at this Porsche 718 Boxster, guys. It's a convertible with a detachable rooftop. Looks pretty neat from the outside. I'm sure it's going to look good when we look at it closer. The collectible card with that useful piece of information. Oh, this one's a 4-cylinder. Okay. 0 to 100 in about 5.1 seconds. Not bad. That is nice, guys. Beautiful dark maroon red, burgundy, whatever you want to call it. That is nice. Side mirrors, plastic headlights, nice Porsche logo, black grille in the front. Can probably lock this in. Yep. Pretty neat and clean, guys. They've got Porsche on the back along with 718 box there. Taillights are painted, but they've given plastic headlights. Just thought I'll show you guys without the roof and the cover as well. Quite nice, guys. Okay, let's look at the Aston Martin Vantage GT8. Another beautiful release by Majorette. Loving the decals and the detailing already. Beautiful, guys. The collectible card. If we look at the info. Okay, this one's got 8 cylinders. And 0 to 100 in 4.4 seconds. Awesome. Okay, looking at the car now. Okay, moving parts. Both the doors open on this one. Painted taillights and detailing on the back. Rear spoiler. I'm going to put chrome on the exhaust. Side mirrors. Plastic headlights. Aston Martin logo on the hood. Plastic grille and some more detailing. Okay, down to the last two. Next up is a Mercedes-Benz AMG A35 4MATIC. Beautiful white color scheme. And this one's got a opening trunk or boot. So there's no opening doors on this one, but they've actually given you an opening trunk. Cool. Okay, the collectible card. This one's a 4-cylinder. It goes from 0 to 100 in 4.7 seconds. Cool. Okay, looking at the car. It's a beautiful hatchback. I don't think they're gonna go overboard with opening doors as well. No. Okay. Pretty neat, guys. The Benz logo on the hood. Benz logo on the front grille. It's all painted, but you got plastic headlights, plastic grille, side mirrors, painted taillights, AMG A35 on the sides. Hope you guys can see it. Yep. The exhaust need a bit of chrome on them. And they've given you that opening trunk on the hatchback. Pretty neat, guys. Okay, we're down to the last car in today's video. Is this beautiful green colored Porsche 934, and this one's got the opening doors as the moving parts. Looks pretty neat from the outside. Oh yeah. Just thought I'll quickly show you the back, guys. All the other ones had some other information, but this one's actually got the other Porsche cars in the series. I've got the Porsche 718 Boxster in red. We just had a look at it. I've also got that one there, Porsche Cayenne Turbo, and then I've got this Porsche 934, and I've also got this Porsche Panamera Turbo. I haven't got these two, not a big fan of those, but yeah. Collector's card, Porsche 934. Oh, okay. They didn't want to share the details, guys. It's all good. Cool. Looking at the car now. I absolutely love this green color, guys. Beautiful parrot green. Painted taillights, logo. Doesn't really look like a rear spoiler, more like an elevation on the trunk. Side mirrors. Porsche livery on the side. They've colored the blinkers orange. Beautiful plastic headlights. Okay. Beautiful, guys. I'm sure all the Porsche fans are going to love it out there. Alright guys, another unboxing video is done. Those are all the cars we had to look at in today's unboxing video. We started off with the convertible Lamborghini Aventador. We had to look at the Lamborghini Reventon. We had to look at the Chevrolet Corvette, Chevrolet Camaro, Porsche 718 Boxster, Aston Martin Vantage GT8. We had to look at a Mercedes AMG A35 4MATIC. And last but not least, we had to look at the beautiful Porsche 934. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, stay blessed. God bless you all, and I shall see you in my next unboxing video. Thanks for watching, guys.